Squarespace is a sophisticated website builder that has a lot to offer creatives and businesses alike. It's not the easiest to use builder on the market, but it still won't take long to get used to. It just needs a little bit more patience than Wix. Where Squarespace really shines is its template designs. They're the best on the market and are perfect for creatives who want a visually impressive website, and standing out is important. Since as of January of 2022, there are over 2 billion websites on the internet. It's not a case of style over substance. However, Squarespace also has a huge range of features to give your site the power it needs. Better still, Squarespace has the best knowledge center on the market. There, you'll find a range of text, image, and video guidance, as well as a seamless onboarding experience and clear navigational signpost and guidance. Squarespace also has a 14-day free trial. If you love the trial and want to sign up, there are 4 premium plans to choose from starting from $12 a month. Let's look at the features. Squarespace isn't just a pretty face. It has the best quality features of any builder too. For example, with Squarespace, you can install multiple templates to work on at once, use video backgrounds, add custom codes, upload and share music, and link your social accounts. Squarespace's huge range of features are all developed in-house. This means you're guaranteed a high level of quality and security, and you can enjoy having everything you need right at your fingertips. If you want to optimize and expand your site, you can use Squarespace extensions to integrate with a range of third parties such as Printful, QuickBooks, or ShipStation. Squarespace's third-party extensions are a great way of growing your site without upgrading your plan. It's also crystal clear that Squarespace is committed to improving the breadth of its features. Wholesale improvements in this area supported Squarespace's 4.5 rating in our research value for money category. That's up 1.4 stars from the old rankings. While vast developments in Squarespace's UX boosted both the builder's ease of use and the UX's quality scores accordingly. Now, let's talk about design. Squarespace has the best design quality of any website builder on the market. With sleek, sophisticated, modern templates, it creates truly stunning websites. Ideal for creators and those in search of a real customization, Squarespace knows how to make your site look good. You can easily switch your template, even once you publish your site, and can even work on more than one template at the same time. Plus, Squarespace doesn't just look nice, but it's easy to use too. Here's what one of our users we tested had to say. I found this way easier to use than Wix and much less overwhelming. There's so much less reliance on apps, which makes it all feel more streamlined. Ultimately, Squarespace does keep you in your lane when it comes to design and customization, but when it comes to providing all the right attributes and helping you build a stunning online presence that you can be proud of, it's still unparalleled in the website building space. Let's talk about pricing. Squarespace provides a 14-day free trial so you can try its builder out totally risk-free. After that, it has 4 premium plans to choose from, ranging from $12 to $46 a month, billed annually. The highest 2 plans unlock advanced e-commerce features. As we touched on earlier, pricing was another area that Squarespace grew in as a result of last year's website builder ratings. In fact, Squarespace's starting price is now $2 per month cheaper than Wix, meaning it's well suited to those on more of a shoestring budget. If you would like to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a Squarespace website, then click the tutorial on your screen.